thing is your reservations already included for breakfast. So we have 3 options for the restaurants. Number 12, this is in SEGARA itself. And then number 1, this is in resort area. Number 18, this is in Rimba. Yeah. Okay. The breakfast time starts from 6:30 until 10:30. You can, if you want to go to the other place or facilities, you can use our tram service right here. Yes, this tram service for the station itself on the outside. Okay. And then we also have an application here which you can download.
Oh, great!
If you want to know our other facilities or if you have any other concern, you can send us a message.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We just got to our accommodation and we are pumped. I'm gonna go put shorts on. Lotus and I have made it to our resort called AYANA SEGARA. Our room is not ready till 3 and it's currently 2. So we're gonna go have a little spread. Come with us. This is crazy.
This is how I want to live my life every day.
My legs. If you want to get something else maybe. Chichen, I don't know what this is.
Oh, that's like really yummy.
We are staying in Jimbaran. Here we are. Oh, this is supposed to be tang sick.
It's actually kind of good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could actually drink that. Is this tomato? Yum.
We got these little things, red fish. There's a Bali pizza, which comes to 21 AUD. Lotus got a egg goreng, which is 21.50. Bali pizza, 21 bucks, AUD. Let's dig in, it's huge. We're gonna go dig in and eat, and we'll see you back in the hotel room. Okay.
Thing is the sunny day.
Yeah.
You can get the clear sunset.
Yeah. What the doctor ordered, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at
So
this.
this is
Thank you.
clear tea.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, ready.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the complimentary.
This is literally our whole compartment. We just checked in and we're now going to go to the pool and get changed.
up. It's all watermelon.
$27. Good morning. It is currently day 2. We just woke up and we're planning on go to brekkie and we'll see what the day. I had the most glorious sleep. We landed yesterday like at midday and then checked in at 3. But yeah, come along. We're gonna go check out the pool, which apparently is Instagrammable at 6 to 9 a.m. This is round 1. So our plan is we're gonna go all the way to the Riverside pool, which is that Instagram famous spot. After that, go around to the Oceanside bar. The Oceanside pool. We're just basically trying to find all the pools and just see how they look. Right now, this is probably one of the best pools. There's also a rooftop here. I keep butchering the name, but I think this is SEGARA. Yeah, SEGARA. And we're staying here, so it is lovely. But here is the rest. It's a bit overcast today.
It kind of catches me off guard when they just go, Miss Lotus, why too little? But the other funny part is like, because I made the booking and I put the name under mine, they go Mr. and Mrs. White.
SEGARA review, 11 out of 10. Oh my god. Let's address the elephant in the room. Here we go. We're going to go to the river pool. We have just got to the villa lobby, which is so beautiful. We gotta put our name down.
Yeah.
Please.
Thank you.
We've got your number.
Oh, cool, thanks.
Okay, wait. Where it all happens. So you get put down your room number and then you get a number and they'll call your name out. I wonder how long it depends on the person. We'll see. I'll time it.
7, 8, 10.
See how we go.
Oh, she's
So where do you take the photo?
from up there.
From there.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Taking photos of their girlfriends and they go up one by one.
If this was in the public, you could easily charge people for this.
But that's what they do.
20 bucks a pop. Oh my god, it's hilarious. I'm doing boyfriend duty, taking photos of Lotus. Waited probably 20 minutes for this. I'm going to take it on all 3 places. It's been pretty cool. Line up like 20 minutes to take a couple photos. But hey, it actually looked really good when you lined up
No, it's just funny.
on that day bed up there. Sun's out, Lotus.
Dude, Boulder and go.
Doing pool review. Currently we are at River Pool and we have 3 categories. Sun direction in the pool, busyness, layout of the pool.
Like where you're not fully in it, so like you can sit in it half.
Pool busyness, a good 8 out of 10.
Anyway, go for a time.
If it was super busy, this would be awful.
No, there's like barely any kids.
There's no one here.
And then
Like a 9 out of 10. I like probably the other pool better for the music and the direct sun and the lounges. But I don't like that it is a bit busier.
give this a 10 out of 10.
And then today we're going to go to Cliff Pool. That one's outside the rock bar pool area. Tomorrow we might check out the whole other side of the island, which is...
Island, no,
resort. Yeah, island. It feels like a fucking island.
It feels like an island. It feels like glass onion.
Yes.
Glass onion meets like white lotus.
Rimba. Tomorrow I reckon we'll check out Rimba for a day.
One away.
7 minutes from SEGARA. So anyway, now going to head over to the famous rock pool. The longest tram is probably from ours to Rimba, which is 7 minutes. And they come every 5 minutes after 9 AM, I think. And it's just like a loop. It's really good. So we're currently here on the 8th of July on a Monday, which in Australia is school holidays. So it's pretty busy, but look at this. It's not busy at all. It's also on Monday.
But it's going to be busy when we get back to Seminyak.
Yeah, we got Seminyak for another week. That's the airport over there. Terima kasih. Where? Here. The SEGARA. Hello. Going back to the #1 pool. This is where you wait for to get. Thank you.
Were they loaded people or?
Never wondered. Now we're running up to the museum, which is slowly found my foot here, but hey, a bit shaky, sorry. Wow. Everything is quite close. Basically running all around. I don't know if I can walk in that bridge, but running in Bali is one of the most humid things to do. There are fucking monkeys everywhere. We are off to dinner.
Oh yeah.
We're about to go down to the rock bar in Bali. Yeah, we're excited. We had to book a day before for this. We all go down.
Miss Lotus. Okay.
40% for dinner, yeah? Okay, come here, let's continue.
Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a cost breakdown. So signature cocktails, AUD. This is the current, like 220 kefanaka.
What?
Which Greek beef. And then the grilled sea bass. And also grilled octopus. And hopefully some steamed rice because I'm craving rice. There's a DJ up there. That is so strong.
I remember when we used to be in love, and we thought that nothing could ever keep us from partying.
We're watching a bunch of drunk people try to take photos, and it's hilarious because they're fighting over the same spot.
All I have is time, and though you're not here anymore, I still think about you. 'Cause baby, yeah, I didn't forget you. Hey, no,
Get a rating of 5.
5 for the view and
we
the.
drifted so
Come back up.
far apart. And I know we both made a brand new start.
We are going to end day 2 here, and we'll see you guys tomorrow when we go to Rimba for the whole day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
And I will